Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about what you are going to be working on. And at this point, we're going to be working on a couple things. You should have Chapter 17 read at this point. If you do, it will help you with this current assignment. All right, and the current assignment can be found under classwork, and it's PowerPoint on roof design. So if we go over here to classwork, it's right here, so roof design PowerPoint. And I gave you each one of these slides, okay? So you each have one of these slides. And right in the beginning, in the front, it tells you what it is you're actually supposed to be doing. So first off, every house needs a good foundation, but it also needs a good roof. Now, remember when I told you that term, if you got good boots and a hat, you know, when it's raining out, you'll never get wet. This is the same thing. So if you have a good roof, with that said, since in most cases you do not see the foundation, many don't care what it looks like. The same cannot be said for the roof. So your roof has to look good because normally people see that. And sometimes in some cases it might be the first thing they see depending on where you're located. Because of this mindset and due in part to time frames and weather conditions, there are many roof designs available in the world. In this assignment, you will pick 2 roof designs and be comparing them to each other. Please see the included in the following presentation. All right, so right off, you have to pick 2 roof designs. Now, I picked the hip roof and the gable roof. Okay, so those are the 2 I'm going to be talking about. Now, first off, the first thing you got to do is create your title page. So again, I'm giving you everything. So you have everything here for you. You literally just have to make it look better. Excuse me, and add the things in as needed. So first off, it's an introduction of your 2 roof designs you picked. So you should have the name and the picture. So for me, I'm going to put hipped roof, and I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select this picture, copy image, and I'm going to paste it. Obviously, I have to make it shrink. There we go. I'm going to make my font bigger. And then I'm going to, so hipped roof and gable roof. Again, I'm going to make my font bigger. Did I spell gable wrong? Yes, I did. Go figure. Going to make my font pretty big right off the get-go. I think I picked 24. And I'm just going to copy this image right here. And paste. So this, I'm going to go shrink it a little bit. This I'm actually going to make bigger. And I kind of want everything to more or less be the same. Whoa, what did I just do? I don't know what I just did. Undo. All right. So, introduction of the 2 roofs design you pick. So, hip roof, gable roof. So, I'm just going to, I'm going to get rid of the rest of it, and I'm going to put a little tab there. Pretty simple, guys. So, the first slide, it's truly that simple. I want to know what it is you're doing and how you're doing it. The next one's a little different. So here we're going to actually put a description of the roof designs. So you're going to describe to me what is so special about a hip roof or a gable roof or whichever roof designs you picked. So I'm going to go back here for a second. Now, right here, as it says, you don't really want to use Wikipedia, but for this example, for as an example, I will. So it's a type of roof where all sides slope downwards to the walls, usually with fairly gentle slope. Thus, a hip roof house has no gables or other vertical sides to the roof. A square hip roof is shaped like a pyramid. And you can kind of see that. So it's a very pyramid shape. I would take that in my own words and put it here. And then again, a picture. Okay, you see where we're going with this? So I'm going to describe the roof. So in this case, a pyramid-like structure with no vertical sides on all sides of the roof. Okay? And then again, I'm going to put a picture. All right? So a description, something that explains the difference or explains each of these. All right? So in this case, I'd put the gable here. I do want to put the fact that I am talking about a hipped roof here. So I'm going to put that right there. All right, and I do the same thing for gable, and again, I'm going to put an image. Where can these designs be found? So some of these designs or these roof-like structures, you only find them in certain locations. For instance, a hipped roof you would find around here. That's a pretty commonplace thing. Gable, most definitely. Now, certain roof types, I'm going to look for an image. Roof designs. Certain roof designs you won't necessarily find here. So this right here is called a butterfly roof. Now that butterfly roof is generally used in locations where they have issues with water. So that would actually take the water and then put it in a situation where they can actually then reuse it. You won't find a butterfly roof wherever there's snow. Okay, that's an example for that one. Right here, so we have a flat roof. You won't find that normally. Okay, keyword here, normally in upstate New York. Again, because of the snow. So these certain roof designs you just won't find because of our snowy conditions here. And that's why I want you to put a location. So where can these designs generally be found? If they can be found in upstate New York, great, put that there. If they can't, don't put it there. Okay? What advantages does one roof have over the other? So this is a pros and a pros kind of thing. Now, for me, a hipped roof, because that's what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about a hipped roof and a gable roof, just so you guys know. So some pros to a hipped roof for me would be that the snow is never going to stick to one side of the roofs. They're always going to come falling off. There's no, in a gable roof, the wind will kind of blunt against the roof and it can be an issue. So there's, wind wise, it's very clean design. So on the flip side, a gable roof, it's cheaper. It's the most common. Whatever your pros are of the roof design over the other. And you might only have 3 of those, which is fine. If you only got 3, go for it. But again, I want pictures on every one of these slides. Next, disadvantages. Same things. What makes one better than the other, okay? Maybe the gable roof is super expensive, for instance. All right, compared to, or not the gable. The hip roof is super expensive compared to the gable. Maybe the construction is too. Then you got average costs, and again, pictures. And then this part is your opinion. Very simple part here. Again, I do want pictures, but you're going to put your opinion. Which design is better or worse? Explain. Please explain yourselves. Okay, I want at least one explanation for what you said. Which design would you rather have? Again, let's explain that. Which design fits your area best? Okay, most of you guys live in Utica. Which design in this case would fit your choice. If it's both, fine, then put both. But I want an explanation as to why. So that is what you're going to be doing for this assignment. Again, I gave you each of the slides that you need and are necessary. So you have those. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And, oh, one thing. Make sure you're adding a theme to this, okay? Like, I don't care what your theme is, but make sure you add it and it looks pretty, okay? So make sure this entire thing looks nice and pretty afterwards. Yep, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys. So see you in the next video. Bye.